thing is big.
Really?
Ooh, I want to see it.
Wait, where's the screen on it?
Oh, really? No wind? Really?
I can't freaking find the screen.
Poor Jeff.
Where's the screen on this?
Nope, didn't get it.
You didn't get it.
Wait, where's the screen on this, guys?
There's no screen on it, Dingus.
Jeff.
How do you film with it?
You already started and it went beep, 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 beep.
Yeah, how do you film it?
You just hold it up.
I hope
It
it's.
filmed your head and your hands.
I hope it's filming.
Looks like a nap.
Ew.
You're like a bullfighter. Yay!
I caught a big one! I can't walk forward.
I don't know how you film with this when it doesn't have a screen or something to look through. I guess you just hope for the best or something.
Clear, clear, clear.
Just give it to Mom.
Yeah.
Mom, we want tuna for lunch.
I just think I'll make tuna salad.
I got too much water in here, but I don't want it to come
I
out.
better move this.
Oh, I gotta get these off.
Jeff, you take good care of us.
Ugh.
Uh-oh, stinky.
Yeah, seriously. It looks like it's moving in there, but it's just the water. Why does it look like it's... I don't know. Oh,
Okay, can you take this so I don't lose this?
yeah. I don't want to smell it. Here, can I have it? Where do I put it?
I don't know, just somewhere we won't have it fall into the water.
Mom
Okay.
said we're gonna get it.
Ugh.
Sheesh.
This is a good deed for the day.
Yeah,
Nice.
that's one of my
You're
freaking
saving the planet.
the coroner here.
Leaving our nostrils.
Put it in a compost bin or something.
Compost.
Jeff, we were talking about my grandpa burying dead fish.
I know. Don't ever. You know what? How about you tell me about the time your grandpa won like 21 million in scratch-offs?
Okay.
See what happens.
I was telling about when we went to Lake Erie on vacation. All my mom.
Not like.
Uh,
I kind of feel like the water is going to insulate the smell.
yeah.
So might as well leave it in there and try to tie it.
Yeah. Yeah, I always thought that there was a screen on
They're
GoPros.
here, though.
Huh?
They're here. Look at the neighbors. The windows are open. Like the blinds are open.
Yeah. We gotta put it in there though.
This is ridiculous. Let's just hope they didn't see me doing this because otherwise they're just going to yell at me. Can you imagine whenever the time comes where this thing gets pierced
Yeah.
and like the phantoms are going to come out of the bag?
the smell is just gonna have a geyser coming out of it or something. Run! Run! Do we share that trash or something?
Yeah, I think we did.
Oh, I thought that was their trash.
No, we started trash in there last night, but the thing is, that's gonna be in there till like next Wednesday. When the trash comes again.
Yeah.
Yeah, it came this morning.
Oh.
We watched it. Yep. That is definitely, you can check that off the list. I have not done that before. We saw that. That fish, do you see how it gets like real smooth?
Yeah.
Well, actually now it looks different because but you see how it gets rough? Hi. It gets rough way past the smooth part. We were out there where we saw it. That's how
Oh.
far away that fish was.
Jeez.
And all those jet skis just slowly pushed it with the wave.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that thing traveled. You see that bird way out there? That little white bird? It's in the darker part of the water.
Not really.
Yeah, well, if you get up close and see it, that's how far out that fish
Oh
is.
yeah, I see it.
That fish made it all the way over
Remember
here.
where you're not gonna step. Just reminding you.
Okay.
Yep. All right.
I'm gonna turn this off.
Yeah, just hit it once.